Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will teach you how to set up Cash App donations on Twitch. So first of all you need to open Twitch TV and you need to log into your account. Then you need to go to your own channel, so you can click your profile icon on the top right and go to your channel page. Then you need to go to the About page right here in this menu, and you need to enable editing panels right here, so you need to turn this on and scroll down guys. You will see this plus icon right here. You need to click it and choose add a text or image panel. So in the title you can write Cash App. You can add the image, so you can just upload the Cash App logo. You can download it from Google. So I have got this logo. I will upload it. That's done. And now it's the important part. You need to enter your Cash App donation link. So how to find it? You can open a new tab and write the simple thing inside the tab. So you need to write cash.app slash the dollar mark in the beginning and your cash tag. Guys, you need to write your own account cash tag. So when you write this, you can enter to this page. It will redirect you to this page where you will see this QR code, so people from this page can send money to your Cash App account. So you can copy this link, go back to Twitch and paste it right here in this tab, image links to, and this link right here. You can write description also and click the submit button. So guys, when you refresh the page, you will see the Cash App donation link right here guys, but you can customize your own picture. You can write this descriptions, titles, and etc. guys. It's up to you. I just showed you how to set up Cash App donations on Twitch. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.